Today, we're coming to you from a beautiful townhouse listing in Park Slope, Brooklyn, and we're speaking with Joey from FM Home Loans, and he's going to tell you everything that FM Home Loans has to offer you. I'm Randall Dolland, a licensed real estate agent, and I'm here to help you navigate the world of New York City's real estate market. So today we're talking with Joey from FM Home Loans, and we've worked with Joey because he's a great partner, and he's also come on board to help sponsor our broker open houses. And you provide such a great service to our clients and to the community. Tell me about Joey.
Thank you, Randall. Thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it. So I've been in the mortgage industry for about 9.5 years now. I work for FM Home Loans, and the reason why I work for FM Home Loans is because of the close-knit service that you get by using a company like FM. We have underwriters, loan officers, processors, all sit in the same office, all sit in the same few square feet, and if there's ever an exception needed or a question with an underwriter, it's very easy to walk over to their desk instead of having to make a phone call to an underwriter in a different state.
So it's totally like a boutique sort of service that therefore gives the best sort of quality service all the way through to the customer.
Exactly. They're a boutique shop. They are a FM Home Loans. They're a residential lender, so they do have the ability to work with 30 to 35 different banks. Some of those banks, they even have the ability to underwrite on their behalf and to fund the loans on their behalf, which makes closings happen so much quicker and so much more efficient.
That sounds great because traditionally clients would think, well, maybe I should go with a much bigger bank. Maybe I'll get a better rate or better service. I guess you're saying that FM Home Loan sort of debunks that theory.
Yeah, correct. Because the reason why is because we do have the ability to work with the 30 to 35 different banks. All of those banks have different types of products. Some products will have 30% down, 20% down, 10% down. Other products will allow clients with bad credit scores in the 600s, low 700s, things like that. So we have so many different options for the for your clients, whether it's stated income loans, no income check loans, all different types of products that we have. As opposed to going to a bigger bank, you have one product that they offer, and you either conform to their guidelines or not. Using a company like FM, you have the ability to think outside the box and use all the different resources that we have.
And that's very important, again, because, you want to make sure you have a company that, they can move things around and make things work for you, because sometimes, this is a very big decision for most clients.
Oh, it's the biggest decision of their life.
You're buying your home. It might be the first time or maybe your second home. And you want to make sure that you have someone that could pretty much guide you and hold your hand and work with you through the different parameters, because everybody's situation is a little bit different.
Everybody's situation is different, and that's where I come in, and that's where the service comes in. Again, my 9.5 years experience, I learned from one of the best loan officers in the country. It's all about service. It's all about being there, being accessible, whether it's at night, on the weekends, whenever you don't want to answer the phone, you just answer the phone. It's engraved in me. It's a matter of being there for the clients, taking the pre-approval, helping them guide their way. Some clients don't want the attention. They'll send me the documents and say, I'll speak to you at the closing, and that's it. But most of the clients want the attention, want the help, and need it. And you know what? It's there, and not everyone is doing it. So if I'm doing the attention, if I'm giving them the attention, if I'm giving them the service that they want, that's what you get on any given day.
That's great to hear. Because again, you want someone to, as I said, guide them all the way through. And the way you speak very passionately about it.
I love what I do. Tell
us a little bit more about that.
And
why
the
is that?
The reason why I love what I do is because the feeling that you get. There are clients out there who know what they can afford, know what they can buy, and they go ahead and they buy it. And then there's the clients out there who never thought they'd be able to afford a home. Clients that never thought they'd be able to afford a home that they bought. And the satisfaction that I get at the closing table, or before the closing, when I'm telling them they're clear to close and the loan is approved and everything is done, and they're like, but Joey, I never even thought I would be able to afford a home. It gives me the biggest satisfaction in the world, and that's why I love what I do.
Of course, and the same reason why we love what we do, because when we sell them that home, we're like, yes, this is going to be like this is going to be your home.
It's their
Exactly. It's
dream.
sort of a dream. You're buying a dream. And again, that's why it's important that when you choose me, I make sure that I refer you to sort of the best in the business to make sure that we make this process as seamless as possible, and we guide them all the way from the first time they see the property all the way to the closing table to shake their hands and handing them those keys together.
Correct. And there's a lot of different steps involved during the buying process. To have a team in place, Randall and myself, who work together on a daily basis, speak together on a daily basis, it makes all the difference when all the parties involved are working together on your behalf, working together to get you to the closing table efficiently, quickly, and without any issues.
All seamlessly, and that's why we're here, and that's why we love what we do, and professionals in this business to make life easier for you. So thank you again.
Thank you very
Joey.
much. Thank you very much for having me.
Pleasure.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for viewing. Visit my website for more information or subscribe to my YouTube channel.